Today's topic is the clinical trials. The clinical trials means what? It is the this is the technical definition of clinical trial. The clinical trial is a systematic investigation in a human subject for the evaluation of the safety and efficacy of any new drug. The another definition of a clinical trial is the clinical trial are the set of the test in a medical research and the drug development that generates the safety and efficacy data for the health investigations in the human beings. Then the drug review steps, there are the five steps in that the drug reviews. The first step is there are preclinical animal testing. Then the second step is that the an investigational new drug application, that is called as the NDA, means new drug application. Then the third step is the phase 1 studies. Fourth step is the phase 2 studies. Then the fifth step is the phase 3 study. And the last step is the sixth step, that is the submission of a new drug application, that is the NDA. Is the formal step asking the FDA to consider a drug for the marketing approval. The preclinical evaluation phases, that is the animal studies. In that the pharmacodynamic studies in vivo in animals, that is and the second step is the pharmacokinetic study. In that the pharmacokinetic study, the ADME means what? The administration, distribution, metabolism, and the elimination of a drug product. Then the acute, subacute, and chronic toxicities testing. And the last point is the therapeutic index. The therapeutic index is simply what? The safety and efficacy of the evaluations. And second point is that the IND application filling. In that the preclinical data is all data from the animal safety or the animal studies, the information and the composition and sources of a drug. Then the chemical and manufacturing informations. Then the proper clinical plans and the protocols. Then the second point is the phase 0 study. Simply the phase 0 is it is the microdosing study. The second step is the phase 1 study. Phase 1 is simply what? The first stage of the testing in the human subject. In that, the design to access the safety, then the tolerability, then the PK and PD, means the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of the drug. In that, the phase 1, 20 or 25 healthy volunteers are required. Then its time duration is the 6 to 12 months. Then patient, that is the anti-cancer drugs, AIDS therapy, etc.